Out in Lanzarote on our way to the square. It's deserted. Thought we were going to be busier than this. Well, we'll see when we get up here. Surf wings, empty. Let's go and have a look down here. Let's check it out. Some people into the Maestro tandoor here. So not there's a few people in this side. I'm going to try and go up to the square now. Let's see what's happening up here, on this area. Tapas bar here, Maestro. Is it any good? Never been before. Maybe somebody has. There's a few people in there, but not many. I would have thought it'd been packed me. Yeah. Let's see how busy this square is when we get there. I can hear music. Maybe there's a disco somewhere, maybe. Lighthouse. Somebody's got a disco, I think it's karaoke now, I think. Kalima bar, chill out. Made it to a square, looks a bit more busier here. Definitely busier, isn't it? You're not so patio over. To all that over there. Looks like we went over there. Magman's here, man. What's the shot you're in now, right? Yeah. Not well, yeah. Further up. It's Saturday, 31st, 2026. I'm sat on Square. There's nobody here. Can anybody tell me why? So I'm at Square in Lanzarote now. Come for a drink. It's a bit empty. I'm going to have a look around for some more places to go to. As you can see, it's empty. Don't know why. Maybe I've got no time here. But it's a bit busy down here. Probably if I got long time. So we have it, you hear that? I could have put place on it. Perhaps I've been sat at the wrong end. Busy end. Not busy end. We'll have a wander down in there, see what's down here. I don't even know where I am really. So that's not a good land, isn't it? Oh, it's pretty busy in here.